Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.